I guess we're fixing to find out if I can fly. It's kind of windy, so I ain't gonna go too much. I ain't going way up. I'll stay here on low. Okay, guys. First time flying in over 40 years. Last time I was up, and I was flying planes and jets and stuff. And then I played RC cars a long time. It took me a little while to get used to it, and finally started to kind of get my bearings. It kind of started doing kind of like an RC car to me. Then I had to just put the vertical part in with it, which is what I was trying to work into. You notice I was running along real close to the ground a lot, and I kind of replicating when I used to race the cars, I guess. And you'll get to notice that when I go in and take off, I get moving fast. When I do, I always make a left turn. Just not always. Make a big old left turn. Look, I'm going up this time. First time going up. About halfway up the trees, look around. Old green. I got to get to work on that. And my weeds in my yard, I've weed treated them, but they just hadn't died yet. And right here, I'm getting used to the controls a little bit and figuring left and right and up and down and just trying to understand it and get ready to fly. Yeah, like I said, a long time since I've been up. I've never been up with a pair of FPV goggles on in my life for this now. First time ever. And just trying, mostly I guess I'm trying to get used to that. Look around. There we go, back down in the yard. Come on back. Okay. You can tell I hadn't got my courage up, because instead of turning, I stopped. Made a nice slow turn. In a few minutes, I'll get my rhythm. Another one of them stop turns. Uh-oh, going up on the roof to explore, look around. First time I've been up that way. Figured I might as well see what I could do getting around, moving around. I have to say, the FPV is really something different. Pretty impressed with the way it's working so far. I mean, for me not knowing what I'm doing. I was really happy that I took it up and flied the whole flight without crashing into anything or wrecking or dropping it. And all the footage is at standard speed, all the flying footage. I changed the music speed, but I didn't change the speed on any of the footage. So I'm just playing around learning. Here I'm learning how to go up, like straight up, so I want to go up and look at something. Right here is where I started to kind of get the rhythm. I started kind of feeling it. I guess y'all can see it. I mean, it just started flowing. And this is the second battery on this machine. The first one I used to test out all the automatic features and stuff, where it takes the pictures and circles and does all those things. I've done a lot of that with it. When I got close to that wall, around the bird feeder, and over the bush. There we go. Past the deer watering tub. Oh, have a deer watering tub? I put them torn out most of the time. I'm sitting here editing this video, and the wind's been blowing really bad for about 3 days, and I haven't been able to get out and take another nice flight because I want to go explore the neighborhoods around me. Go check out my neighbors, see what's going on, you know. And yeah, I can't, with this wind we've been having, I can't do it. I ain't taking that chance. All the corn's gone and full of water. I'll be glad to get them weeds dead. I sprayed them, but they haven't died yet. Not all of them. I think like I say, I was starting to get my rhythm. Okay, looked like a dirt track racing RC car guy right there. Flung it around the rear end and hung it in the corner. Now y'all know what I've been thinking, don't you? I got to go through that basketball goal, through that bar in the back and through the loop. Yep, gotta go through both. And I keep getting close to that tripod. Y'all see that, right? Yep. Just getting it figured out. There I go. First time through. We got it. Another little ride up, look around, see what I can do from this side. Try to get the feel for it. I didn't realize how bad that antenna looked in that window. Yeah, all this whole run's on one battery, guys, on the Neo, and it's just standard batteries. There we go, went through again. I think I try to see how close I can get to stuff sometimes, it looks like. Yep, bring her in. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it right here. Oh, I guess I don't got it. Okay. Look, I zoomed the whole yard. Well, all this side and all around. I didn't go across the road. I didn't go up real high because there's a lot of wind today. But man, I flew airplanes back early 80s. I flew Byron jets when they first came out, big 5-inch turbines in them. And I'm going to tell you, if you'd have had one of these in that, you would have had a ride. I mean, because they were so fast. But I don't know if you could have controlled it because this is zipping. And it moves pretty good. And I hadn't even turned it all the way up yet. But man, it's cool. I'm liking it. It's a blast. It really is. I had a ball. We'll check it all out, see what we got, look at the footage, and see what we think about it. And you see what the first time I took it out to fly was about. But it's not like I've never flown before. I mean, like like I say, I did fly airplanes, like high wings, and I went low wings, and then I went to jets, and I done those for, I don't know, about 2 years, and then my neck hurt, and I didn't like looking up, so I started racing cars. And this controller and car racing is kind of so close together, and it's just, instead of little turning the wheel, you just turn your wrist. So yeah, it's kind of cool. I'm liking it because that car one, you had to pull the trigger one and turn your wheel with this one, but this one you do them both in one hand. And one time I did get disoriented and almost fall down. Yeah, I mean, I turned, and I don't know why I was turning around looking, doing this, but I was just flying straight. But yeah, I'm trying to get used to it. And I guess I'll figure this out as I go. But good Lord Almighty, I had a good time. Okay, I'm going to go put this up. And I got some other things I got to do, but I wanted to fly one time today. But there's a little bit too much wind to go way on up there. I don't want to go any further up to go. And I got jets over there, so I can't get too high. But I ain't gonna go more than 400 feet, so I ain't gonna worry about that. But the wind has picked up, and yeah, I'm done. Hey, guys, y'all take care. Enjoy it. And hey, I've had a ball. First flight with the Neo, it was a fun one. Yeah, I had a good time. Joshua says it's a roller coaster in the sky, buddy. I had a ball. I mean, this up there around there. I mean, when I get used to it, it's gonna be on, because I buzzed the tripod as it was, and the trees, and I'm getting there. So I'll figure it all out soon. It won't take me long, because once you've done one of these before, you got a feel. Once you put yourself in it, once I get myself inside of this thing, completely and absorb in it, I'm on the way. So, hey, guys, y'all be good. I got to get back to the golf simulator. I got a couple of videos editing out and rendering, and they should be done by now, so I can get them uploaded on the golf channel. So y'all take care. We'll see you later. I got to get busy. Whoa!